The markets, I know how to make money. I would love to teach you what I know. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and I've been day trading for over 38 years. I was there in the crash of 87. I saw the long-term capital debacle in 98. What I'm teaching, you're gonna see. What I'm showing you on my telestrator, you're gonna see. When the MACDs are negative above the pivot and the 5 goes negative, 2 nice shorts there on Netflix. Doesn't make a difference who you are or what field you're in. I feel confident that I can teach you. I've actually taught people who have traded for years and have corrected their mistakes. At the end of the rainbow, when they can tell me I did it, I'm pulling the trigger, I'm consistent, look at what I'm making, it really brings a lot of joy to me. I'm, I'm here. Hey, I'm here. Hey, good morning, everybody. Wow, unbelievable. What shorts this morning in oil, gold, S&P's long. S&P's about to get the buy reversal here. If you take out this 50 level, 50, 63.50, we're going to go turn positive on the 15. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay, so yesterday I bet the under, and I lost 0 for 2. I'm still batting 610. Let's do it here. Over, under. 62, 63.30, 63.70. For those of you. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Under, over, 63.20, 60, what did I say? 63.30, 63.70. I'm going to go under on this one. Hands down, I think. What do you think? Under? Under? I think under.
Welcome to the people that are watching us on the free today. The social media users, YouTube,
Yes.
Instagram, TikTok. Give you a little taste of what we do.
Okay. All right. So I'm Steve Kalayjian. I've been trading for over 41 years. This October 1st will be 42 years. Not a day that goes by that I have one regret. I love doing what I do. I love meeting so many people from around the world. I love teaching my methodology, helping people be consistent. I've seen so many people struggle along the years. For me, there's no greater joy in my life than to be able to meet so many people from all parts of the world, to hear their struggles, to help them, to guide them, to give them great understanding, whether you're trading futures, commodity futures, stocks, ETFs, whether you're trading your own money, or a lot of these people very big into these prop firms. So many people I've tweaked, I've helped. S&P's about to get a buy reversal here. So with that being said, it's important. Matter of fact, I would take a scalp short here, 50 and 3/4 up to 55 and 3/4 on the E-minis. Again, when you're scalping, you're using micros, or if you want to use the big ones, we always have to maintain stops here. And basically, the way we look at the market is basically I've studied for 10 years building this research, and it gives me the ability to use multiple time frames, the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frame. If you're intraday trading, if you're intermediate term trading, it's the 60-minute combined with the daily and the weekly. And if you're looking at long term, it's the daily, weekly, and monthly. All right. Whether you're trading Bitcoin futures, individual name stocks, it doesn't make a difference to me here. But overall, it's about being consistent. I mean, so many people I've helped, I've tweaked, certain assets that they weren't jiving with, so they shifted from the NASDAQ to the S&Ps, world of difference. A lot of people are trading prop, helping them pass the evaluation, and then after that, then they go on to taking multiple accounts. Someone just about a week and a half ago, doing very well the last couple months, decided to link onto 7 other accounts, qualified, made $2,000 on 8 accounts, made $16,000, and every day it's about hitting singles and doubles. If you can make $500 a day on 5 linked accounts, that's $2,500. That's $50,000 a month. It's game changing. It's really, and that's why I do this. I want people to understand that my legacy depends on your success, and that's important. So if there's any questions along the way, please ask along. Where are the questions, by the way? I don't see any questions here. So that's that.
Just,
Oh, it's no questions? All right.
yeah,
Um,
the regular
Well, what is going on with Hood? Short this Hood here at 0930 and 60, Michael. Short this thing if it gets up there. All right. All right. So welcome to people all around here.
Yeah, you're just doing your,
Oh, okay.
giving them a taste of
Yeah.
what you do.
All right. So again, the 15's reverse to buy here in about 9 minutes, and then you'll look to buy the pullback here. We had a monster short here in oil this morning. Hit the 67, 51, 52, 53, and then got absolutely kabooshed here. Okay. All right. So we play a game every day here. Hey Jeff. We play a game here under over. I'm betting 63.30 and 63.70. Congratulations to Mark Franz and I think Beluga for being the only 2 people who picked the over yesterday. I'm going to go under today. I think the market has had it. Okay, under. So we just play a game and we try to keep our records straight here, and that's that. So we just play a game here amongst everybody. Under, right? Everybody under here. Let me know if I short this Hood here.
You didn't get it yet.
All right. So again, welcome. If you'd like to ask any questions, please leave your comments in the YouTube, or better yet, just join me directly on my Discord here at through SKTrading.live. Okay, short. Okay, offer more at 60 and 90. Okay. All right, and anybody new, we're offering a 10% off our campaign to our new community, 10% welcome discount. Use the code WELCOME, capital WELCOME 10 coupon. All right. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. Again, so this market is really overextended in my view here. I mean, look at these names like GEV. I mean, look, come on, man, really. I mean, this is enough here. Look at this GEV here. Look at stock never goes down. Unbelievable. Stock's up about 300 points here. What is it from the low here? Almost 200. Look at this, 306, up 273 points. Okay. Time. Look at this, 40 points above the 10 bar. All right. 40 points. I would look to short this Hood here, especially on the opening here. Tesla's up too. Tesla turning, looks like it's going to turn up here. All right, coin. All right, coin. Oh my God, I saw coin above 420. 421 this morning. I'm like, come on, man, really? Enough is enough there. Okay. Also, a special event. So many people have asked me, because tonight's session, the Tokyo session, which is at 8 o'clock at night, 8 p.m. to 3 a.m., a lot of people have asked me, because a lot of times I'm on and I see the great patterns are in the Tokyo session. I'm hosting a free, that's right, a free event this Wednesday night from 8 to 10 o'clock at night, like I don't work enough hours. But I'm going to do it for free. The live trading, explaining the patterns, taking the trades. A lot of people who trade prop love that hour, or would love that time period, because Number one, if you're trading real live markets, and you have a live account, funded like your own money, I believe that a lot of these firms have significant increase in their margin. So normally, like I'll give you an example. Like let's say TradeStation charges you $50 for a micro during the U.S. session, $1,000 for the big one. I believe, don't hold me to this, that in the night session it could be 3 to 4 times more. Okay, and if you look at the night session, a lot of people resort to trading prop because they don't hold you to margin capabilities. Does that make sense? So if you have some people were making 300, 500, 800. Amy, over under 63.30, 63.70. I know what Amy is going to pick. All right. Yeah, so anyway, so again, July 23rd, we'll break down the setups on the S&P, NASDAQ futures, oil, gold. Gold really an unbelievable mover during that. If you're trading a prop account and you make $300-400, so be it. I'll show you how it's done. And then you have 3 or 4 or 5, 10 accounts linked to that, like some people do. Well, just multiply it by over, under. Oh my God. I'm under here today. I don't know. I can't take it. If I lose today, that's it. Okay, let's see if these S&Ps can get a drop here. A little overextended. The 15s are going to reverse to buy, so the strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Very overextended here right now. It's real time on July 23rd, so set your reminders and join me on the live stream. We're going to be tuning on my social media. It's going to be really fun, really exciting. S&Ps, I'd look to cover this short between the 49.5 and the 51.5 range. Again, it's about hitting singles and doubles. Yesterday, I'll tell you, this was a great pattern yesterday here. Let me show you this pattern. I tell you, I knew it in my bones. I knew this pattern yesterday when the spiders reversed the buy on the 30-minute time frame. Right here, you went into a buy disconnect, meaning that the 30 correlated with the 15 on indicator 4. And I said, when I had to leave to go to my appointment, I said I would look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. And that happened exactly at 10:20 yesterday. And here it is. This is the first pullback on the 5-minute. The pullback meaning the deep oversold condition on the 5. It ran 10. It dropped again, and it never looked back. And then the next strategy is after the 60-minute time frame reversed to buy, with the MACDs crossing positive from below the pivot. What do you look to do? You buy the first pullback on the 15 on indicator 3. Look at that. Boom. S&Ps never look back. All right. Look at that pullback right here. 627.67. Boom. Look at it. Almost 18 points on the S&P. Okay. Everybody, welcome Chuck. Chuck is here. Again, everybody, please... our thoughts and prayers for our good friend Chuck. He's going through something. I prayed for him again last night. And Chuck, you're going to be just fine, my good brother. You know, the good Lord hears us. All right? Most important. All right? All right. So, again, July 23rd, 8 to 10. Put it in your calendar. Reminder. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm telling you, so many people been blowing up my phone. Please, can we do the night session? I'm like, how many hours do you want me to work in a day? It's insane. It's insane. All right. What else here? Well, I just expect the market to be really quiet today. It's a Friday. Every time I say it's going to be quiet, the volatility just explodes. So I try to do that on purpose, actually.
I find that too. I think it listens to me.
I know. Because the thing is that what happens is, to me, is that you want volatility. I say that, and I just want to get out of here alive because I need a haircut. I can't take it no more. My guy was sick for like a month, and I'm not letting anybody else cut it. So that's that. So, all right, with that being said, If anybody out there has any questions, please feel free to ask away. That to me is what I really love.
Yeah, for the people who are on social media right now, or you know, you'll probably have to take a little time to get back to those questions
Right.
because you'll have to see them, later today or after the stream is over.
Correct.
But if they like what they see, go to sktrading.live and sign up.
Mm-hmm.
Madison, if you're here, I just sent you an email. Don't know if you're on. I replied to your email.
Just so you know, Steve, you still got this hood.
The what?
You still got this hood.
Then make sure, anyone, if you're trading.
It's covered at 19
If you're trading, and you're,
or 20. I don't know where it
make
is.
your wins, make sure you post that in the Wins and Testimonials channel.
Where's the trading?
Who's trading it?
Under, in the
Where?
community chat.
18.
You bought them at 18?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be able to hop on.
Oh my God, S&Ps, I cover shorts. Look at what a short.
But I will be
Good
able to-
job. You got it?
Probably early
Job.
afternoon.
Good job. What a short. I knew it. You got the sell divergences here. You're making new highs, okay, during the 9 o'clock session here in the non-confirmation. Wow. Anybody get that short? Kabooshed. Love it.
Amy, you're looking at the pre-market?
Who is? Yeah.
Pre-market, Steve.
What?
Amy's looking at pre-market SPY.
Yeah. I know. So she traded it well. It just dropped 50 cents. What a short.
You don't look at the pre-market stuff, though.
I didn't look at the pre-market stock. I look at the index futures, but they could trade it off that.
Right. You don't use it for your charts to do the correlations.
Oh my God, I covered the hood. I shorted hood at 109.30. Oh my Lord. Why'd you make me cover it early? No, I'm okay. Good job on the S&P. See, that's a sell divergence in a positive trend. Now you could probably take a scalp long here on the S&Ps against the 15s. I looked to buy like probably 41.5, 46.5 for another push up. You can probably switch to micros on this here. Okay, again, when the S&Ps pushed up just now, the MACDs did not confirm. You were overbought, and the 30 and 60-minute MACDs are negative here. I'll show you. Again, the different look on the S&P futures. That's why that was such a great short. Oh my God, that hood was amazing. See here? This is a major. That's the 60. Here's the 30 here. Here's the 30 here. Right here. 52 into the negative MACD. What's that?
I was canceling the hood.
Oh my God, look at Robinhood. Woohoo! You may get 108.50. S&Ps, if you're long on the scalp long here, look to sell out above 47, 47 and a half. Just rallied 2. Hope you got that long.
I didn't catch that one.
You're too slow.
I know.
Come on. This is a game of speed. Okay? So anyway, that's a double blue buy, meaning the 15 reversed to buy on the S&Ps right here. Good job. Nice trade, Mark. 60 cents in hood. Mark, nice trade.
Steve, if you wanna respond to it, someone asked, is this really a game of speed or strategy or both?
Both, everything, both. You need. This is if you're trading futures. It's a game of first of all strategies, but you have to be very good on the matrix, the ladder. You can't just sit there with like fat fingers, you know. If you're trading futures markets, as I always say, hand on the mouse. Hand on the mouse. Hey, Alex, how are you? I think Netflix is a bow wow. Let me look at Netflix here. Let me see what these things. The daily here. Well, the dailies are going to reverse the sell here. Down 34. Let me see the weekly. It might be for a long scalp, maybe, Alex, between like the 34 and 38 and a half, if it gets down there, Alex. You know, that's what I'm thinking. Anybody get that long? So basically, that long. Okay, QBTS. All right. So if you look here, the S&P's pushed down. You see the 15? That's why I said take the long here. I would look at it. Just ran about 2.5, 3 points on the S&P's here. I have to use the bathroom, Billy, so can you just jump in here for a second? Okay. Okay. I'll be right back, Billy, okay? Hey, I'm back. Oof. Hot diggity dog. All right. Look at the S&P is pushed right back up. All right, so for today, I bet the under. I said 63.30 is the under 63.70. If they hit 63.70 above that, that's it. There's no way.
There's no.
Short this hood at 0960 and 0990 and 1030. Just put them out there in case it gaps.
Long on gold or scalp long.
There you go.
Yeah, right?
That's not bad.
Right?
It's a good job.
I'm learning.
So you want 0930 again?
I'm learning, see?
0960, 0990, and 1030.
I'm just like trading gold now.
See? See what you learned for the 2-hour drive?
Yep.
There you go. No, gold is phenomenal, especially during the Tokyo session. It's absolutely phenomenal. You can short some Coinbase here at 420, 421.80, 423.80, and 425.80. What is that?
That was hood.
We're at 90?
Yeah.
Good. 90? Covers
You got 60 and 90.
60 shares?
No, you got 0960 and 0990.
Good. So what's my average? 70?
75.
I cover 70 and 60. Short some coin. Oh my God, market just exploded. Are we up? What just came out?
And you want Coinbase 2190, right?
2180, 2380, and 2580. And you're covering hood at, what's my average, 75?
Yeah.
Cover
Well,
hood.
somebody may have fat fingered something with an extra zero and took
I
out a
don't
whole
know.
bunch of levels
I don't
because it's
know.
right back to where it was.
Cover hood at 70 and 60. You bought the 70s?
Yeah.
Alright.
I bought 90 out of the thing. Alright, there we go.
What'd you do?
It was a partial fill. That's it.
So I'm still short hood?
Now you got, yeah, you're short 100.
Yeah, alright, bid 60. Alright. What the hell was that? I would short some Palantir here, 154.90 to 156. Look at this Microsoft. Short some Microsoft at 515. 515, 515.50 and 516. I don't care. Short some hood at 1030. What else here? Nvidia. Oh my God, bells everywhere. I should have covered my hood.
Yeah, covered the hood.
I sell Microsoft.
Nope, not yet.
Microsoft, you got to be kidding me! Just dropped $4.
Coinbase dropping.
What the heck? Oh my God! It's Christmas in July. The world just got kabooshed. What the hell happened? S&Ps, what a short! Oh my God! How do I not sell How do I not sell Microsoft at $5.15? It's down $4. It's insane. Cancel the Coinbase. Leave the hood at 10:30. Hello?
Yep.
Can the Microsoft, please? Anybody short Microsoft on the pre? Oh, I can't even speak anymore. What was that?
Got the hood.
Buy him back at 10. Short more at 1080. How do I not sell Microsoft? That's the eighth wonder of the world.
Got more at 80.
Okay, buy back at 30 and 10. Short more at 11 and a half. I short this hood here, 11 up to like 12 and a half. Short some Coinbase here, 25.80, please. Oh my God, I can't even speak that fast. Oh my God. What's my average in Coinbase? I mean, hood.
Hood is 1055.
Okay. Cover 45 and then 30. Oh my God, Coinbase has dropped $3. Phew. Oh my God, look at this. I canceled my Microsoft offer. What's that?
I just got Microsoft.
What price?
80, 25. Or no, I got Coinbase. Microsoft is canceled.
Just
It was canceled.
cover. All right.
Hey, good morning, Alex.
Cover the Coinbase at 50.
Covered 100 of the hood. Flat hood.
Flat hood everything?
Just flat hood. We just got Coinbase right now.
I'm flat hood?
Yes.
I'm shorting more at 11.50 though.
Yes.
I'm sold?
No, not yet. It's not there.
I covered Coinbase?
Not yet, no.
Short more at 27.80. Good morning, Alex. Hood, I'm at 11.50. You know that, right?
Yeah.
I'm completely flat hood.
Yeah. Flat hood.
I didn't see a trade there, but okay. How could it? I short this Coinbase here, 27 up to 30. What is that?
That was Coinbase.
Okay, what's my average?
Your average is
26.80.
yes.
All right, covered short more at 29.80, and then cover 26. What's my average?
26.80.
All right, cover 100 there, and then 26 and a half. That's hood.
Yeah.
Cover it at 20. Short more hood at 12. Coinbase. I can't believe this Coinbase. Tesla shooting up here. Tesla, I was short some Tesla here. 325.10 to 27.10 Tesla. What's that? Coinbase? I mean, that's hood, right?
That was hood, yeah.
That's
That was
Coinbase.
coin, yeah, you covered 100 at
All right.
26.80.
All right, short coin at 12, right? Am I flat Coinbase?
No, you still got 100.
All right. The 26 and a half, right?
Got it.
Yes? No?
Yeah, it's in there now.
It's in there now. It should have been in there.
No, I didn't hear you say it.
I told you 2680 and 26 and a half. I did say it. Now you bought it.
Yeah, flat.
Flat. Nice trades on Coinbase there. Boom! Anybody short the Coinbase? I looked at cover shorts below 27. I do not know how to not short the Microsoft on that sell divergence. All right. You know what that means? It's time to put up good old Tesla here. All right. Hood, I'm completely flat, right?
Yeah, yeah. Flat.
Market's coming in and that's pushing up.
You're offering a 12 still.
Yeah, no, the whole market's going to roll over here. So Microsoft was a push-up. Palantir, if you're short the Palantir, is down on the day. I would cover this Palantir below 154. All the MACDs are negative here above the pivot. Tesla is a screaming short some Tesla up here if it gets up to, I got to watch it. Tesla's major sell divergence. The 30 and 60-minute MACDs are non-confirming. I think the unders are going to kill it today. Gold long? No, I would not look to buy gold yet. What is that?
That was Coinbase.
Not Coinbase, it's Hood.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta say the right symbol, Michael. Short more at 12 and a half, cover 11 and a half. Actually, cover 1160. Short more at 12 and then 12 and a half and 13. Short Coinbase at 30 and a half.
Got 12.
All right, short coin at 30 and a half. Oh, shit, it just dropped. Where's this Coinbase going? What, are you crazy? Short 31 and a half and 32 and a half. Put them out there. Cover Hood at 60 again. Oh my God, I missed that coin. Just dropped $1. S&Ps, I think, are finished. Q's pushed up here. MACD's non-confirmation on the Q's. See how fast you got to be with the ladder? Okay, so when somebody asked about the speed, Q's, new highs there. Microsoft was a great short. So the Q's pushed up to new highs, just dropped $1. The MACD's are non-confirm on the 15-minute time frames. All big sell divergences here. Look at this Coinbase. Anybody short 30s? Where's this Hood going? Anybody? Look at this Tesla. Unbelievable shorts. Tesla, Microsoft, Q's on the opening here. Netflix down 60. Boy, oh boy, it's quiet. We have some numbers coming out here at 10. Tesla. Look at this making. I bought the Hood.
Yeah, I covered the
Okay.
flat.
Can the offers and Hood above. All right, and cancel the Coinbase above. You never leave offers out, okay? All right, so you see the Tesla here. You're making new highs here. Just dropped about 3. MACDs did not confirm here on the 15, and the MACDs did not confirm here on the 30, and the MACDs did not confirm here on the 60. Jeff, tell me you got short the Tesla. Look at this. New highs, MACDs did not confirm. I said, let them have them. There you go. Hood, if you're short the Hood, look to cover below 11.5. Right? Jeff, do you see that? Sell divergence. I taught this to Jeff, okay? And he couldn't get it. And he finally did. It almost took the life out of me. Right, Jeff? It really did. Well, how do you know coming in the MACDs are negative? Bah, 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 bah. I'm like, oh my God, give me a cyanide pill. Cancel the Coinbase.
Yep.
Right? It's like, but how do you know the MACDs are negative? The market didn't open yet. Bah, bah, bah. I'm like, oh my God. I want to slip my wrist like Frank Pantangeli in The Godfather. I'm a tough one. We're the same age, but I'm a tough one. But he got it. That's all that matters. He got it. He got it.
It's important. Yeah.
Like you're gonna get it.
Yes, I will.
Oh my God, NVIDIA, 174.20. All these MACDs were negative above the pivot. Short some Coinbase at 31.60. You gotta be kidding me. 31.5. Just sell it. I don't give a crap. Short, huh? Short more at 32.5 and 33.5. I don't care. Let it rot. Where's this good? Short some hood here, 12.5, please. Cover coin at 30.80. What is that?
That was good.
What price?
We got 12.54.
Did I sell more coin at 12.5? 32.5?
No, not yet.
I told you short some more 32.5. It's traded 32.65. It's 32.70.
No, you did get it, you can get it.
Okay, so you can't say no. What's my average?
Your average is 32.05.
All right. Cover 31.70 and 31.30. What's that?
Now you just got more at 33.51.
Okay, what's my average? Cover 32 and 31.5. Cover 32 and 31.5, everything. 32 and 31.5.
Yep.
Flat. Yes! Boom! Flat?
Yep.
Good. Short more at 33.30 and 34.30. What the hell is that?
Maybe flat coin.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Where you want to cover hood?
Where am I short?
12.54.
Just cover it at, I'll watch it. Just cover it at like 24. Boy, two stocks today, Coinbase and Hood, going bananas. Oh, look at this Coinbase drop. Make sure you have no offers in Coinbase.
Yeah.
Hood's flat. Good. Short more at 12.70. Gets up there. Non-confirmations on coin. On Hood, coin. Anybody following these? Look at this. Netflix just bounced. You see how fast you got to be?
Oh, extremely fast.
Especially if you're going to trade. I mean, you know the pat. So I know the pattern.
Right.
I know the sell divergences, right? So what am I doing? I'm shorting into the sell divergences in a positive trend, right? That's how you do it. Hand on the mouse. What is that?
That was hood 12.70.
All right, short more at 13.30. Okay, so the under, Jeff, the under over 63.30, 63.70. I didn't hear your pick. What the hell is that? Cover the hood at 30. And if Coinbase gets up to 33.5, short some. Oh my God, look at this. What is that?
The XL didn't work on coin.
What?
It was a buy in coin.
I don't want to buy it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out flat.
Well, flat. Where you buy it?
32.22.
Why'd you buy it?
I don't know, I XL and it didn't cancel everything in coin, I don't know why.
It's gonna just get out. What are you doing here? Just get out. How could you just get out?
Yeah, I'm getting out where it is.
No, not even. I said get out. Just send out 32. Just get out. Hello?
Yeah,
It's. Are you listening to me? Get out.
yes.
If it's an error, you get out. How did you mess that up?
Oh no, I hit XL before on coin, and it didn't cancel it.
I didn't say, I'm looking to short the world and you're looking to buy something.
Flat hood.
Please put my order in coin at 33.5 and 34.5 and 35.5, please. And let me tell you something. When you have an error, you have to let me know. And I said, when I say get out, that does not mean offer at break even. Are we clear?
Got it.
Okay? Are we crystal clear?
Yes.
Okay. When you have an error, no problem. We make mistakes. You get out when I tell you get out. Not you don't trade an error. Okay?
Short coin 33.5.
Thank you. Short more 34.5. Cover 32.5. Actually, cover 32.80. Where is this Coinbase going? Short some hood at 13 and 13.50.
Got more Coinbase. Your average is 34.
Okay, offer more 35.5. Cover 33.80 and 33.30. What's that?
That was hood.
13?
Yes.
All right, cover at 75. What's my average on Coinbase?
Your average is 34.
Cover 33.80 and 33.50. S&P's right back up. Sold more coin, a hood.
Yeah. Your average is 34.50.
Cover 34. Short more 36.5. Cover 34, 33.80 and 33.5. You short more hood at 13.30?
I don't think I have the order in there.
All right, sell more at 13.30, please. S&P is right back up. I short this Coinbase 35.5 up to 39.5 range.
You want more 35.5, right?
No, I want hood at 13.30, please. And I want Coinbase at 36.5, please.
Got more hood.
Cover 13 and 12.80. Should have bought 13s.
Got 13s.
You're covering Coinbase at what's my average on coin?
Your average in coin is 34.50.
All right. Cover 34.50, 34.5, and 33.80. I don't really see much here other than Nvidia. What's Nvidia doing here? 81 cents. Cover hood at 12.80, right?
Yeah.
I sold more coin.
Yes.
Okay. What's the average?
Your average is 35.
Okay. Covered the hood. Short more coin at 37. Cover 35, 34.5. Cover 35, 34.80, 34.5. on Coin. $35, $34.80, 34.5, right?
Yep.
Look at the hood drop. What's my average in Coinbase?
35.
Coinbase is $15 above the 10 bar. What's that?
35.
What's the next one? 34.80?
Yeah. I covered 34.82.
Good. How many am I short there?
200. Bidding 34.50.
Look at this Tesla. I short this Tesla here, 27 up to 29 Tesla. Under. Where am I offering Coinbase?
You
What?
sold more. Now your average is 35.67.
What did I just sell?
You sold it.
37?
Yeah. Right.
Right.
Well.
What's my average?
Your average is 35.67.
Covered 35, 30, and 35 on that's
Got it.
35, 30, and 35. S&P's just got cabooshed here. Look at this hood. Microsoft cabooshed. There goes Avago. What is that?
You covered some of the Coinbase 35.30.
And 35 is the other one?
Yeah. 35 for the balance.
Look at this. Look at this Tesla.
Flat.
Good.
Flat everything.
Just to be clear, whenever you have an error, it's not a problem if you make an error, right? It's a question of telling me, and I just say get out. If I say get out, just get out.
Yeah. Right.
Short more Coinbase, 37.5, 38.5, 39.5. Where's this Tesla going? Show some Tesla 38, 28.5. This meta acts like death.
28.5, right?
Mm-hmm. Tesla. And then 29.5. Look at this hood right back up. Short some hood at 13.80. I'm offering coin at 37.5, right?
Yeah.
Nothing else is moving. Tesla, Coinbase. Oh, brother. Why is hood up $7? Can somebody explain this to me?
It's trying to fill the gap, but it's not quite there yet.
What's that?
That was Tesla. 28.5.
Okay. I gotta do a call at 10 o'clock, Billy. So,
All right, I'll just stay here and Just
Yeah.
make sure you mute your microphone
Yeah, no.
and.
Cover Tesla at 2810 because I gotta look at this. Cancel my Coinbase. This Coinbase is gonna get kabooshed. Actually, you know what? Just cover this this Tesla 2830 because I gotta get out of here. Gotta make a call. All right, Microsoft, unbelievable. The short of the day, hit that 515 and then drop 5. Coinbase is gonna get kabooshed. Oh my God! Look at this. Short some Coinbase at. Actually, no. I gotta make this. This Coinbase is. I would short this Coinbase 37.5 up to 40.5 range. Just cover the Tesla at a half. I gotta make this call. And then cancel. Make sure I have no offers anywhere. Meta making new high. Meta making new lows.
Tesla.
Flat Tesla.
Yep.
All right, I'm done. No orders, right?
Right now.
All right. So listen again. I have no problem if there's an error involved, right? But don't trade an error. You just get out.
Just get out of it.
Just get out. Tell me. I say when I say get out, boom, hit the bid. Out. That's it. You don't try to trade it.
Got it.
I don't care
Press
if it
the
went up.
button.
Huh?
Press the button.
What press the
Right.
button? No, if there's an error, there's an
Remember
error.
remember when you said you just want to have a button, you hit the button and it just flattens you out?
Yeah, but the button's not in front of me now. You know what I'm saying? So if there's an error, if there's ever an error, oh, so many unbelievable sell divergences this morning. AMD, Nvidia, Palantir. I think this market's going to get absolutely kabooshed. I got to make a call here in 3 minutes. Just, let me see something. Excuse me one second. There's the P&L. Okay, not bad. All right, it could have been a lot better. But now, see, the thing I'm trying to tell you, I do 3, 5, 10,000 shares. This is $30, $40, $50,000. That's why you got to get used to this thing. It's not. I don't know. For me, this is too much stuff's going on. I don't think you need. I don't think you need to see all the orders going up and down. I don't think you need to see that. You can, you know.
The only reason I like having that is because I can know when it's approaching your range, so I can prioritize.
You can see when you're
things.
approaching the range just from the ladder. All right, I short this Tesla here. I would be short. Tesla's making new highs. The MACDs are non-confirming on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. All right, Billy, I got to jump on a call for about 10, 15 minutes. All right.
Just mute your microphone.
Yep.
And
I'd be shorting this Coinbase here, 37.5 up to 40. Okay, Coinbase. I think it was Trump approved the and MSCR, the dog of dogs, is not even participating. Tesla. Oh, look at the Tesla drop, Michael. Michael, there's your early birthday present or your late birthday present. Kabooshed. I covered the Tesla below 28.5. I knew this Tesla was a short off the sell divergences. All right, Coinbase just got up to 37.5 or higher. Look to cover below 36.5. I'll be back. Billy's in charge. Don't do anything. No, I'll be back. All right, I got to make a call. All right, everybody. Under, baby.
Oh, you're back.
I'm back. Oh my God, look at this Coinbase. Oh my Lord, down $10, $12 on Coinbase. That was an expensive call. Ah, it's your fault. It's your fault. I know it. I said, let them have them. Forget it. I even said it in my podcast last night. All right, so I look to buy them here, S&Ps, if they get down to the 28.34 level, 15-minute time frame. Okay. Oh my Lord. Holy mackerel. That was a nice bull flag on Coinbase.
You've been writing that down from all the way up there?
Oh my God. No, not riding it all the way down. Look, Hood, I was calling shorts the whole way up. Hood, I was short here. I sold the high of 13.30 and the high was 13.39 here. I told you this Coinbase was a piece of garbage up there. Coinbase a piece of garbage. Oh my God! Don't tell. 444. That guy jumped. I would have shorted 10,000 shares up there. Easy. Oh my God. Ooh. You caught the short where? What stock? Johnny Boy.
Oh, I think S&P.
6352. Oh, good job. Oh, and that spike up, Frank? That's beautiful. A Picasso. So here, if you look at the S&Ps, oh, please rally Coinbase. If you look at the S&P futures, you can see why I was calling the shorts here, okay? You're making new highs here, Billy. See that? The MACD is non-confirming on the 60, the 30, and tell me what the 60s look like. Look at this. An absolute Picasso. Look at that. Oh, I knew the under at 70 was... Oh, S&P's just rallied 4 or 5. All right, I cancel. How about Tesla? Who's short Tesla? Jeff, it's Christmas in July on these sell divergences. Junior, you want to order my tuna and a bagel on the side and get my good friend who drove 2 hours each way something?
That's it.
What do you want?
You want the?
What does that mean? There's nothing that says whatever on the menu. You can't go to a menu.
What are you
I got an
getting?
omelet yesterday. It was really good.
You can't.
Sure.
You
No-
can't.
no meat,
You
right?
can't go to a menu and it says whatever.
No pork.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
Okay, whatever. Whatever.
Whatever you're
EVA.
getting.
Alright.
Hold on. This is a new word, Frank. Hold on. We're gonna have a new word here. All right. We got a new word. Where's my eraser? All right. We have a new word here. Okay.
Anthony's coming in at 11 too.
All right. Anthony's coming at 11.
It's gonna be
Meanwhile,
boring here.
what happened? What'd you buy me here? This thing's a piece of garbage. I can't even erase anymore. What'd you buy me?
What?
This.
Whiteboard?
Yeah, it's garbage. Look at this.
You're just gonna use a what?
You can't use a Sharpie on them.
Why not? It's a pen that comes with it. This is Sam's new word. This is it. What? EVA.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
There it is. That's
I'll put that in
that's a
the
whatever right there. All right, and I have over, OVA, and under.
Yes.
This is the Bronx talk, right? Right here, under, over. Okay, let's go under 3630, 6350, 6330. Under, over. Good job, Frankie Hooch. Good job.
Chicken or turkey?
Chicken is good.
Okay. Oh my God, Coinbase 44. Oh my God, my heart, I would have been unbelievable. Oh my Lord God Almighty. S&Ps, I look to buy them here. S&Ps 27 to 32 S&Ps. Okay, S&P futures pushing up here. We're here again. I would look to buy them 20. Did you order breakfast?
Yep.
All right. Coinbase, if you want to take, I can't even say I'm going to say it, 25 and a half to 28 and a half. I'd look to buy Coinbase for a long year. Just, Mike called me, says you can never see anything like it. How many shares we do there?
4,800.
That's nothing. It should be 49,000.
He said he's never seen anything like it.
Yeah, I know Mike a long time. He goes, dude, and if I was here, You know what I would have been selling? 38s, 39s, 40s, 44s, 45s. Forget it. Boom! S&Ps, if you're long here, we're looking to buy him here at 27 to 32, just push down to 30. S&Ps, you could look to selling. The 15s are getting oversold. The 30s are getting oversold. The 60s are getting oversold. It doesn't look good here for me for the 63.30 on the close, I'll tell you that. Palantir reversed to sell. Nice long there. Just rallied 70 cents. S&Ps look to sell. I would look to sell out between 33 and 35. Coinbase, you got them? Good job. Now you raise your stop.
Yes.
Okay, you start trading some. Okay, you just got about 2 or 3 points here on the E-minis. Not now. Not now. I called them long before that. There goes Coinbase. Wow, Coinbase is a great long. Oof. Coinbase is ran $4. Anybody get that long below 28.5 on Coin? Oh my God, $4 on Coinbase. S&Ps. All right, Palantir. All right, Apple reverses sell on the 15. So when the 15 reverses to sell, there's probably a good 85% chance that the highs are in for the day. Are we still live?
No, you're gonna end at 11. Well, you are right now. Yeah, you're gonna end at 11 numbers. You know.
Right. All right, remember, all right, 11 o'clock.
You're not live anymore.
We're off?
I guess he took you off. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, Instagram's not off, but it says you're still streaming.
Billy, you with me?
I'm here.
Are we still streaming live?
Yeah.
Oh, Michael said we're off.
Instagram's down, Billy.
Said we're down.
We're down?
Instagram is. Yeah.
I don't know. We're still here. We are. Double check. I would think. Are we down everywhere, or we're just down on one of them? Well, I know we're good here, but we're streaming.
I don't know what we're doing. All I know is the market's going to be finished now. It's quiet.
On some of the socials.
S&Ps, I still think you can get one more. Again, if you want to buy S&Ps here, you could look to buy them again. 26.5 to 31.5.
Down.
There goes Coinbase, just ran 5.
Instagram doesn't like us.
All right, I'm still bullish here. This is the first pullback on the 30-minute time frame on the spiders here. On the 30-minute, you can see here the 30-minute, 26.5 to 31.5 range. I'll be looking to buy him. You can see him right here, Michael. Look at this. This is a major bull flag setting up here. 15 oversold into the positive MACD. I think the 63.30 under is not going to win today. I'll tell you that. I don't think that's going to happen. How about this Microsoft? How in God's creation did I not short Microsoft in the pre-market? 515 open at 514.64. That guy jumped. And Hood, setting up a nice long here, 1061, just rallied 80 cents on Hood off the 5. Are you up money? How much?
510.
How much?
510.
Okay.
I
All right.
got it, yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm following, yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
A little faster.
Yes.
Okay. Multiple accounts.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching. Okay?
Yeah.
It's all I care about.
Yeah.
Consistency, in and out, boom, boom, boom. You make your money, 2, 3, 400. You got 3, 4, 5, 10 accounts.
Right.
It's game changer, life over. Just don't lose 30%. That's it.
Yes.
That's all I can tell you. Okay? That's all I can tell you. I'm very proud of you. Coinbase up 6.
Did you get long there, John? At the bottom? After that drop?
That's why these prop accounts, I don't get these rules. What's that?
What did you not understand?
No, the rules of these prop firms. I'm trying to read them right now.
To just do scalp, short scalp. You can't be in, because what will happen is if you're playing with trailing stops on those and you trail out, you're up, but they're like, oh, but you gave back profit, and then they it counts against you.
All right. Look at this. Jesus. The market's finished now. So let me just show you this pullback on Coinbase. This is the first pullback on Coinbase. Let me here. Look at this pullback. Boom. Okay, let's look at Hood. Hood was a nice long here, right here. What a short up there. I think I sold the highs, 9 cents off the high. This is the pullback, Michael. So when the 5 goes negative, right, you can buy it. But remember the negative MACD here, any push up here will make a lower high right there. Okay. All right. So any push, so the right pattern now, Michael. I mean, I would take maybe a long scalp here in Hood between 0980 and 1080. But any push-up's going to make a lower high. The real pattern should be the 15-minute time frame here. If it sets up here on the 15. Oh, nice bull flag setting up here. Positive MACD. So I would wait. S&Ps, I'll be scaling on the low. And look at this. Oh my God, $8 on Coinbase. Unbelievable. MSTR reversed the sell on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. Look at this great pattern on MSTR. Here's the 15 right here. And here's the 5-minute. You can see here's the bounce. Look at that. ADX is rising. Negative MACDs. Look at this. Look at what a short. 447.24. Dropped 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. All right. Everything else is pretty much quiet here. The Qs. And this was the Qs this morning off the 15-minute time frame. The short right here. 563.32. Drop 3. Beautiful. Oh my God, Coinbase just rallied $9. Oh my Lord. All right, HIMS reversed the sell on the 60-minute time frame. So now all 3 time frames are in sell mode. Okay, so it means one thing. We look to short bounces, right? We'll see if the 15s can set up. Stock was trading 52 just 3-4 days ago. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? Take a load off, Fanny.
For the people that are still with us from TikTok and on YouTube, please, if you find what we're doing interesting, if it's helpful, we do this every day from 9 to 4. So go to sktrading.live and sign up. We'll teach you and help you make some money.
S&Ps, if you want to take another long here, 25 to 30, I would take another long here. The 30 and 60 minute time frame's way oversold here. Nvidia, what a short on Nvidia. Avago down 3. Apple can't get going here. Market really can't get. Look at this. Oh my God, what a bear flag on Coinbase. S&P's, I'll be telling you any longs 30 and a half up to 33.